Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony, and today's video is for all the hair extension clients, no matter you are hair wholesaler, retailer, or hair salon owner. And I want to ask like which type of hair extension you mainly sell and what is your target client base. And this is some hair that we prepare for one of our hair salon owner clients, and you can see that they actually supply all different type of colors, no matter in the black color, dark brown, brown, and blonde color. And mainly that this client is for selling for taping hair extension and Genius Weft hair extension, which is very best seller right now in the market. So I think everyone have their target clients, and they are selling to different type of clients, and every one of you may have particular requirement of hair quality as well. Joice Hair is focusing on mostly this high quality remy hair extension and premium virgin hair extension, and all this hair is made of our premium virgin hair extensions. You can see all our premium virgin hair extensions are made of Chinese raw virgin hair. You can see highest quality that you can find in the Chinese market, and this hair is completely sourced from the Chinese young women. In our process is all single donor. That is our feature and advantage, that every bundle we make it as single donor, so that the hair color is very pure and the hair quality is very high. You know, not like many clients, not like many vendors, they might sell the hair within multiple donors, so the hair colors may not that pure, and also they might comes in different type of textures as well. So all our hair are very silky as thin texture. And not only we supply this kind of straight hair, but also we supply in different hair textures as well. I know that a lot of clients, they have the concern that whether your hair can make into different wavy and whether it will blend with your client's wavy hair. Yes, we can do, and we can make it very natural wavy and also curly hair extensions if you want. And all these hair extensions are made of a premium virgin hair, which is the best you can get in the Chinese market, and it is supplied also to the most highest end of clients as well. You can see this is a blonde color, this is kind of white, and this hair because it's virgin quality, so that when you use it after you wash it, this hair will be very high quality as well, not like those kind of low quality hair after you wash it becomes very different ways. So this is highest virgin hair extensions, and we also offers in different high quality, like this is our remy hair extension. Mostly we focus on high quality remy human hair and virgin hair, and the difference between these two is that remy human hair are sourced from the Southeast Asian in different countries, and virgin hair are Chinese most high quality single donor raw hair, and this is remy hair. It also will give you a good experience and good longevity as well. So this is the high quality, this is the hair quality that we supply. We also supplying a range of different hair products. You can see that these clients, they are requesting for Genius Weft and taping hair extensions, and this is another client, they are clients mostly for remy hair, and it is invisible taping. And also we have all different type of extensions. You can see this is our flat tip keratin hair extension. This is also genius with the extension, just making round wrapping, and so this is the theme, just wrap in different ways. So we supply all type of different hair extensions in different hair qualities, and we supply in different type price segment as well. So no matter you are wholesaler of hair extension or you are salon owner, if you're looking for a supplier factory which can support you in best ways in terms of hair quality and in terms of service, you can definitely contact us. Joice Hair will be your best support to grow up your business. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions, you can also contact me, and you can browse on our website. If you're looking for the best hair vendor, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Have a good day.